A digital marketing strategy refers to the forward-looking thinking procedure that utilizes SMART goals for business growth. There are many tactics associated with digital marketing strategies, such as digital marketing services, for example, SEO, website design, content marketing, paid ads, and social media marketing. A digital marketing strategist's responsibility is the successful management of digital strategies. Also, he has responsibility of the client contacts, organizing the shared information, and ensuring adherence to agency procedures. The rapid evolution of the digital space means the world is more fast-changing than at any other time in the past. The evolution is working to the advantage of human beings with the role of persons who can determine the best way of using the internet for your business becoming even more relevant. These professionals are known as digital marketing strategists. What a digital marketing strategist does. A digital marketing strategist has a prominent role in the world today, particularly in advising on ways of executing marketing campaigns. These strategists are a mixture of creative, innovative, and tech-savvy persons who can identify certain trends even before they peak. In fact, digital strategists have to combine different and relevant marketing initiatives and channels, including paid media, SEO, and content, into actionable plans useful in launching product and service marketing. As such, digital marketing strategists must have the required aptitude for data to be in a position to analyze campaign results and those from the competition and determine plans and outcomes to move forward marketing efforts. Harvard University's Chief Digital Officer, Perry Hewitt, defined the eclectic role of digital marketing strategist. She says digital is part technology and part content strategy, partly marketing art and science. People who can strongly identify with a particular piece of equation often struggle to fit in highly performing digital teams. What's the responsibility of digital marketing strategists? The exact role of a digital marketing strategist is difficult to define because it is dependent on the companies hiring them. And if you expect digital marketing strategies to be your bread and butter, there are a wide range of responsibilities that you should put into consideration. However, these responsibilities are determined by the company size, marketing team, and business needs of the middle management. Mostly, digital marketing strategists are expected to undertake multiple functions, but companies with large marketing teams should concentrate on certain specifics. Steps of creating a strategy of digital marketing. Step 1. SWOT analysis. Step 2. Business goals. Step 3. Market segmentation, for instance, geographic, demographic, behavior, and psychographics. And step 4. Build buyer personas. Backgrounds, problems, goals, benefits, and objections. How to effectively grow digital marketing strategy. The ongoing pandemic means businesses are suffering, something affecting virtually all aspects of our lives. Even if you find it difficult to say, the consequences of the pandemic will remain visible for many years. This is something that must prompt all of us, and especially marketers, to remain more proactive in their future plans. This is the right time for marketers to revamp their marketing strategies and ensure preparations take their marketing efforts to the next level. To automate the communication processes and explore new channels, there are various marketing approaches you may adopt in order to enhance your impact. Evaluate your marketing strategy more often. Marketers have an obligation to closely monitor the evolving trends together with the economic, social, and political factors which drive them. These involves an update of the target audience, adjusting creativity, and revising your ad placement. An evaluation of your business strategy helps address any emerging issues and ensure you are in speed with customer needs. As a marketer, you should be agile and not rest or drop the gun at any moment. A marketer is supposed to be on the move and keep their ears on the ground to learn on the current developments. Increase customer lifetime value. Businesses should realize it's easy to retain the existing customers than finding new ones. For this reason, you should leverage on the existing and excellent relationships with the current customers in order to support marketing campaigns and better facilitate growth of your business. There are a few things for consideration to enhance your customer value, including identifying those high-value clients, engaging your customers on various platforms, building a lookalike audience. Once you have a significant grip on your customer upon addressing their desires appropriately and timely, it's possible that you will maintain them for long. Use predictive analytics. It is one of the most effective ways of measuring and boosting returns on investments, ROI. You need to leverage on the data collected from algorithms and datasets in order to predict and analyze customer behaviors in your advantage. Predictive analytics is almost indispensable, particularly in marketing, considering it enables identification of customers who would most likely buy your products or seek your services. To enhance your marketing efforts, employ predictive analytics in developing marketing strategies that can give results. Marketing is more understanding your customer preference and needs in order to provide those services that can accurately address some of the immediate issues. This is the role of predictive analytics. Leverage automation technology. Automation technology is one important marketing tool that performs certain repetitive tasks and leaves you to concentrate on complex activities. The automotive technology sector will reach the 6.4 billion mark by 2024 as most organizations integrated in their approach to facilitate growth. Through automation, you effectively manage your email lists and documents. Further, you automate your customer service strategies and can undertake some other key tasks. Further, identify the services which could be done with no human interventions for automation. Create content that resonates well with the audience. Consumers would want to dissociate themselves from those brands bombarding them with emails and ads that do not have much value. You need to ensure the content offered is personalized so that your audience makes your brand stand out even as you create better relationships with your clients. You should note that content should be at the center of marketing campaigns and must be built from the perspective of the target audience. You need to ensure your content is valuable, user-centric, or relevant. If the content remains sensitive to customer needs, rest assured that those emails you send out will not go to spam. Something good for your business. Elements of a digital marketing strategy and what digital marketing strategists do. A digital marketing asset refers to those tools you use online. Some of the available examples include social media profile, websites, video content, images, ebooks, and blog posts, customer testimonials and reviews, branded images, logos, and icons. Types: social media, marketing platforms, influencer marketing, email marketing, content marketing, search engine optimization or SEO marketing, pay-per-click PPC, affiliate marketing.